Hey everyone, guess what day it is today? It's dragon fruit planting day and it is very exciting. So my last video showed you how we built the trellis for the dragon fruit, and so today we're actually going to put the dragon fruit into the ground, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the varieties I got. So here they are. Up the front here we've actually got American Beauty. American Beauty is a little bit slower growing, but it's going to be worth the wait. It's self-fertile, which is awesome. And it takes only about 43 days from flower to harvest. It actually prefers being in a bit of shade, which is perfect because our trellis is in a fairly shaded position. It does get quite a lot of the morning sun, but being in tropical Queensland, you know, full sun gets a bit much for most plants. So this one will be a good one for that very far post there. It will be the most shaded one. So next we have CSR Colombian Supreme Red. It's a really strong grower and it has big fruits and pink to red skin and a deep red on the outside. It's self-fertile, so it also doesn't need another plant to set fruit, which is great. This one here is Purple Haze. Purple Haze hasn't done as well as the others, so hopefully it's going to like being in the ground. It definitely has some roots coming out the bottom of the pot, so yeah, we'll see. So this one has actually got huge fruit, so it's going to be fruit about 1 kilo. But one thing I didn't realize when I bought them is that it's self-sterile, so it needs another plant for pollination. So hopefully having its mates there will be enough, but if not, Rare Dragon Fruit has actually got some pollination varieties, and I'll just add one because we've actually got 3 posts here and only 5 plants, so I could easily add another plant. The one that's performed the best by far is Scots Purple. That might be because it's an Aussie breed, so it's really tough and disease resistant as well. Supposedly it can handle our hot summers, so hopefully it's going to love it here. So it's got medium-sized fruit with a dark red flesh, pink skin with some green bits, and it's very sweet as well. So it has a brick score of 19. So the brick score basically measures how sweet the fruit is. The higher the number, the sweeter the fruit. My last one is the Yellow Meg, which is very cool. So it has huge big white flowers. Supposedly it's a little bit slower growing, but it's actually done really well so far in the pot. So it is yellow on the outside and white on the inside, and very sweet, which is why I actually chose it. It's one of our favorite fruits to grow, and it has a brick score of 19. So I have the feeling the whole family is going to love this one. I got all these dragon fruits from raredragonfruit.com.au. And they're a really awesome store for pretty unique and really quality dragon fruit varieties. So they specialize in really rare and exotic types, which is perfect for what I'm trying to achieve in the garden. I already grow a few varieties of dragon fruit, but I'm not sure what they are, so this is going to be fantastic. I'll actually know what I'm growing, and I'll be able to tell you what the fruit tastes like and what it looks like and the flowers, so I can't wait. Oh yeah. So that's the first one planted. Final step is always to water them in really well, and then I will do regular progress videos to let you know how they're doing, and I'm looking forward to some juicy, tasty fruit, so we'll see you then.